Tailgate gaps look good.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have one of the newer F-150s pushed in all in this area. It's meeting up nice and flush. So here's a little trick I use on these aluminum F-150s to make sure my bedside's sitting exactly where I want it. I can actually X off of this back panel, or front panel I guess you would call it, to make sure this is sitting in or out exactly where I want it. And it looks like this one's perfect. So now that I got that where I want it, I could start getting this one ready to go on. Well, I got this one all fit up. Tailgate gaps look good. These usually fall right into place, but I want to double check it. So I'm going to go ahead and get some panel bond on this and get this one rivet bonded on. Alright, I got this bedside all on, finished up the wheelhouse. These bottom sections are in now. I am going to let the glue dry on this. I'm going to dive into my next one, and a little later today, once this glue's dry, I will come and clean this one up and finish it up. All right, I got this bedside all finished up. This one's ready to go upstairs to paint, and I have to prime up the cab corner on this one. I'm gonna do that first thing in the morning, and then I'll take the bed in, the truck up to paint. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.